Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a website clusy.io. Go to the browser, simply type this address, and this website is offering you an official offer for free access to Kimi K3 GLM, Qwen 3.8, DeepSeek version 4 Flash. All these models are come for totally free inside this coding CLI agent, which is directly online. This is an online website. You don't need to install any CLI version. If I show you the pricing right here, you directly see you get access to the free models for totally free. And you just need to register on this website, directly go login, and you have the option to log in with your Google account. Click on continue with Google, and once you do this, directly install or log in with your Google account. So this was a really new website that I discovered just 3 days back while watching a video on YouTube. So this website is offering you free access to these models that I listed above. So just after you authenticate now, you will see that this interface where you have the chatting interface. So it looks something similar to Claude, Gemini, and chat GPT. Directly whatever coding application you want to develop, you directly write this. And if you see the models, this is Kimi K2. It is totally free. GLM, Qwen 3.8, Kimi K3. So all these models are offering it for totally free. And they also have the Pro plan where they offer you Claude Opus DeepSeek version 4 Pro. So let me select the Kimi K3 model. And you can ask any kind of question here. Let's suppose I want to build a image to PDF web app in browser. So as soon as you write the message, the AI will start developing the application. So as you can see right here, it's completely open source, and these models are free for 3 days. So in the next 3 days, these open models are free for everyone. Light usage cap applies to keep them fast. So that's why I decided to make this video. So if you are on this, definitely don't waste time. Simply go to the website, sign up, and enjoy this for 3 days. So it's an official offer on this website. It's a legal way. You can use these models totally free in 2026. So once it finishes, you will get the application in the live preview window. So just wait. As you can see, it generated the description about the application, and then it will be developing the application, each files. So it's actually listing out the description, planning everything, what the application will look like, and after that it will start developing the application for you. So you can see that it's still generating it, the description. So this is all the thinking which is going on. I can see that thinking. At any moment of time, you can stop the application and you can switch the model to auto. So it can switch to any model. As you can see, all these models are totally free. So as you can see now, it's generating the actual code. So now it is writing the file here. The thinking is done for 1 minute 21 second, and now it is writing the file. So once it finishes, you will see the file on the right hand side with also the live preview of the application, everything. So it's an all-in-one coding editor similar to Claude, Gemini, Codex, GPT. So done. As you see, the image to PDF is saved to outputs and ready to run. Open it in any browser. So if you see the files, it is successfully saved. So as you can see, we are using the free plan. It's not a subscription paid plan. So that's why these models are completely free. Kimi K3. So definitely check this out.